voice change from passive to active, important for class 9 and 10. Passive, the boy is known to me. Is ase tamane simple present tense ot asile, me agot ahile active ot I hobo, I known present form hol know, I know the boy. Passive, he was taken to hospital. Yat by nai tamane by ki hobo pare, them hobo pare, them agot anile they hobo active ot hobo they, took hobo kan was ase mane past form ot asile, taken or past form took, they took him, he him hobo to hospital. Passive, the prizes were given away by the chief guest. The chief guest agot ahi jabo active ot, the chief guest gave away the prizes. Past form ot ase where ase hei karone main verb past form ot hobo. Passive, the cat may be killed by the dog. Active ot hobo, the dog may kill the cat. Passive, Rome was not built in a day. tamane by nai yato by dhori lobo lagibo, active ot ki hobo the Romans. tamane Rome kune banaisile, Romer manu borei banaisile, the Romans. Was ase mane past tense, did not build Rome in a day. Passive, he was invited to the meeting. So he was invited to the meeting yato by nai to ki hobo pare, active ot they invited him to the meeting. Passive, the work is being done by him. tamane present continuous ase, is being active ot present continuous hobo, he is doing the work.